Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can create a Uber driver account. So first of all, head over to your Play Store, make sure that you have installed Uber driver application, then launch it. Click continue. Now here, you're going to have to type in your phone number or email if you would like to create an account, or even better, you can either continue with your Google or Apple account. Now, after you type in your email address or continue with the Google account, your account will be created. Make sure that you have verified your email. And once done, you will see it like this. As you do that, you may go ahead and type in where would you like to earn. And also, if you have any referral code, type in that as well. At the next step, you will be required to simply enter or give out some information like your profile photo, driving license, vehicle insurance, and so forth. So go ahead, do that. And if everything is correct according to the information that you have provided, you'll be able to create a Uber driver account. Thank you for watching.